How much money have we had to spend on maintenance and repairs for Lucky, our 2016 Tesla Model X? Watch this video to find out. Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. First of all, shout out to Carly. She's in South Carolina right now visiting a friend on her summer break. I hope that you guys will watch this TesLUCKY video. Leave me a comment, Carly, and let me know. And also, welcome to our 848 subscribers. We just had a big surge of new subscribers on our recent 4,000-mile road trip up and down the East Coast. We are glad to have so many new people here watching the channel. We hope that you will leave us some comments about your experiences or your questions relating to Tesla and the Tesla ownership experience. That's what this channel is all about. And we're a small channel, so we are able to answer each and every comment, every question, and we do, and we love the interaction, so thank you for being here. I have a lot of notes for today's video because there's a lot of dates, there's a lot of data. I love my Tesla data, and I want to get it all covered in a very efficient manner for you. So first of all, as I sit here at the Big Pine Key Tesla Superchargers, where you will see deer and you will see roosters if you come here and charge your Tesla. As I sit here, we have 127,238 miles on Lucky. I'm going to show you the specs right now. Lucky is an older 2016 P90D Model X. We have the lithium-ion battery. We have free supercharging for life. And Lucky will be 7 years old on August 28th, 2023. So a lot of people ask, how much have you had to spend on maintenance? What has broken? What's gone wrong? Any issues with the Falcon Wing doors? I get these questions a lot. And so we posted on May 8th of 2022, we posted a video on this topic that was actually filmed in December 2021, a little bit of an editing lag there, it happens. And that video answers the question, how much have we spent on maintenance? And that was after 2 years, 9 months of ownership, 85,000 miles on Lucky's odometer. So we have decided now that we're going to do every 25,000 miles a battery health update video and a maintenance cost update video. So why not click the bell for notifications? These are going to be informative videos. You're going to be able to see how Lucky does over time, a really like critical part of the Tesla ownership experience that we look to document here with transparency for the viewers of TesLUCKY. So go ahead and click the bell for notifications. So I want to say that these videos on maintenance costs, we are focusing on mandatory maintenance and repairs for everything except tires. Obviously, you have to buy new tires for cars, and we cover tires in separate videos on this channel. So we are talking about everything that we have to do. We're not talking about elective upgrades like when we got the new MCU2 or when we got the tow package put on. Separate videos on our channel for both of those upgrades that we were really pleased that we did. In the previous video that I just referenced, there were 4 expenses that totaled $1,782.98. I'm not going to go into the details about what those 4 maintenance expenses were because they're covered in that video, and you can go back and watch that video if you're interested in the topic. So this video is like a part 2 continuation of that video, and there will be a grand total at the end. Tesla data. Okay, so there have been 5 mandatory maintenance expenses since the last video on this topic. Number one, on October 9th of 2022, we had to have an air conditioning sensor replaced, and that cost $281.25. I wasn't surprised at that. High-tech cars, lots of sensors, eventually they need replaced. Expense number two was a surprise. We had to have a whole new charge port put in Lucky, and that was kind of a strange experience on a road trip where a piece of like the plastic came off of the charge port and was stuck on the plug. It was kind of weird, and the car would still charge, but not necessarily as efficiently, and they recommended replacing it, which we did. That was a surprise, and that was a little bit of a pricey repair. That new charge port cost us $732.15. Also, I want to state that the new charge port charges at exactly the same speed as the old one. I thought maybe with a new charge port it might charge faster. That is not the case. Thing three is back in the not a surprise category. We had to replace the 12-volt battery on January 26th of 2023, and that cost $268.04. So that is the second time in our ownership that we had to change the 12-volt battery. I have two videos that I highly recommend on 12-volt batteries. You should really watch both of them. The original 12-volt battery, so much great information shared on a Tesla mobile service video with Franco. Number four, on March 8 of 2023, we had to purchase a UMC 1415 adapter for charging Lucky in the garage at our house. This new adapter was because we had a new charge port, new charge cable. The charge cable was actually a gift from Tesla. Thank you, Tesla. So I'm not including that in the expenses. And it was my birthday. Isn't that special? Okay, that adapter piece though, for the new for the new charge cord, we spent $78.65 on that. Not a big deal. The number five thing was a surprise to me, but it's not going to be a surprise to the rest of the world. We replaced the windshield wipers. I honestly had never done this in the time that we had purchased Lucky, and my husband was in the car and it was raining, and he was like, "Your windshield wipers are substandard." He used another word to describe substandard, but he's like, "When is the last time you replaced these windshield wipers?" And I'm like, never. I went back and looked at the service records. Actually, the previous owner had them replaced in November of 2017. So these windshield wipers, they really needed replacing. And now I know this is something that I should be doing, every year. So that's on my radar. The two replacement windshield wipers cost $76.82. I looked in the manual in the MCU2. I got the details about the wipers. I did have to order them direct from Tesla, and you can install them yourself. It's very easy. I didn't install them myself. The Tesla service team in Paramus, New Jersey installed them for me and didn't charge. Tesla has just, I've had so many experiences where they just take really good care of me out on the road, at home, mobile service. Couldn't be any more pleased with the service that we've had for all of these incidences described in this video and the last video. In the first recap video, the expenses that we had paid for maintenance and necessary repairs was $1,782.98. Since then, we've actually spent a little less. We have spent $1,436.91. So the grand total, if you look at our ownership experience, April of 2019 through July of 2023, 51 months, we have spent $3,219.89 on necessary maintenance, not including tires. So that comes out to $63.14 a month. And remember, we don't pay for oil changes, we don't pay for gas, and we don't pay for supercharging. We are totally winning here in our experience with Lucky the Tesla. I have driven Lucky since purchase 104,942 miles. Just looking at oil changes alone, if it was $100 per oil change at 5,000 miles, we're looking at like $2,000 to $2,500 in oil change expenses alone. This is a much better deal. We're super happy, and the driving experience is just wonderful. If you haven't driven a Tesla, you should go find a friend, find a dealership, drive a Tesla. Although, warning, driving a Tesla could lead to purchase. It happened with my cousin Luke. If you found this video interesting, even just a little bit, you're still watching, go ahead and click the like button. It takes time to organize notes on these details. We try to produce videos that will bring value to people who are curious about the Tesla ownership experience, and clicking like will help the YouTube algorithm get our content in front of more Tesla curious people and will help our little channel grow. We are going to post 2 videos here at the end. The first one is going to be our battery health video after 127,000 miles, filmed today and posted on the same day as this video. And the other one I'm going to let YouTube choose. But don't forget, we've got tires videos, we've got 12-volt batteries videos, we got road trip videos. Thank you for watching TesLUCKY.